Everyone lift both arms up.
Here go 1, 3, and 5.
Good practice. Have a good step. Oh, and if you need anything, just scream.
You were the passengers.
No.
Shut up.
Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
They changed this. They updated it. But it's the same concept.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
That was good.
They updated it.
Yeah, there's more drops.
Yeah, I think one more jump.
That's it.
That Jake could have easily. That was easier than
A
Guardians.
warm welcome back for those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Slow it down so it
Yeah.
feels safe.
Thank you.
They try to like slow it down, right?
They nerfed it a bit, yeah.
It feels slower. And it's like, there's more, no, but there's more drops this time.
Changed it all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.